Today I'm going to show you how to easily reduce the size of a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever run into trouble sharing a large PDF, maybe it wouldn't upload to an email or you needed to save space on your computer, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to shrink your PDF files without sacrificing quality, so they're easier to send, store, or upload wherever you need. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Go ahead and launch the program and make sure it's the full version, not just the free reader. Once Acrobat is open, locate the PDF file you want to reduce and double-click to open it inside the program. If you're working with a huge file that takes a while to load, don't worry, that's perfectly normal, and it's all the more reason to shrink it down. Now look up to the top left corner of Acrobat's interface and click on the Tools tab. This is where Adobe keeps all of its advanced PDF features, and it's kind of like the workshop of the program. You might notice a long list of tool categories here, so take your time to scroll down if you don't immediately spot the one you're after. What you're looking for is something called Optimize PDF. This is the built-in Adobe tool specifically designed for reducing PDF size while keeping everything intact: images, text, forms, and all. When you find Optimize PDF, click it, and Acrobat will switch over to a new menu with a few different options. At the top of this new menu, you'll see a button labeled Reduce File Size. This is our main feature for today. Click that and you'll see a drop-down option appear. Now here Adobe gives you a choice. You can reduce just the single file you have open, or if you have a whole batch of PDFs, you can select Reduce Multiple Files. This flexibility is super helpful if you're managing lots of documents. Think of it like putting multiple oversized suitcases on a luggage conveyor belt and shrinking them all down for easier transport. For most people, you'll just want to choose Reduce Single File. Once you've made your selection, Acrobat will prompt you to save your optimized PDF. Here, where you get to decide where you want to keep your new, smaller file. You can choose any destination on your computer, a desktop folder, a cloud sync directory, wherever makes sense for your workflow. I recommend you rename the reduced file just a little, like Report Small PDF, so you keep the original version and can easily tell which is which. Then click Save and Acrobat will process your request. Depending on your file size, this part might take a few seconds. Don't worry if you see the progress bar hanging for a moment. Acrobat is working in the background to make your PDF more efficient. And that's it. You now have a smaller, more portable PDF ready to be emailed, uploaded, or stored. Remember, compressing a PDF in Acrobat doesn't just trim off the unnecessary parts. It smartly compresses images and optimizes the file structure, so your document looks just as good, only with less digital baggage. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions down below in the comments. I check them regularly and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical guides on making your digital life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.